welcome back to my channel. Today's Wednesday. It's Walt Disney Wednesday. It's also October, which means that somehow I'm tying Halloween into my videos, and this month, year, all of the above, we are doing bounding in Disneyland, Cricut style / villain style, okay? So, if you are new here, usually October is the time that I do something like that. This year, I DIY'd all of our stuff that we took to Disneyland, and I'm sharing it with you guys. This video specifically is Jack, and I'm very excited because Jack Skellington holds a special place in my heart. I don't know why, I just love him. So Landis loves Jack, so we dressed her completely up like him in bounding style, but I used the Cricut to do some DIYs for her as well. So let's just get going, and I'm gonna show you all the stuff we did to make her look like Jack. Let's go. Alrighty guys, for Jack's shirt, now you can go with a black shirt or a white shirt or whatever shirt, but there's an SVG that I've designed that says, "What's this?" And we're going to use the Easy Press just to get that onto our shirt. Again, there were so many options for Jack. If your daughter likes to wear, which Jack is good for boy or girl, but if your daughter likes to wear dresses, there were so many cute dresses that I found, but Landis does not like to wear dresses. So we found this really cute, like, lightweight hoodie, which is perfect for Disneyland. And then for her hat, we also have an SVG of his smile and also his bow tie. So I'm just going to take a white hat from Walmart, some black cheap ears, which I love these things, and some white felt, and then our SVG cut out onto black easy weed. If you need some black easy weed, check out shopantitay.com because I've got it there and it's super inexpensive and it's great. Okay, that was my shameless plug. All right. So we're going to just heat up our hat with our Easy Press or our iron, whatever you're using. I'm not going to discriminate. I'm going to take that cardboard thing out so I can kind of get it really flat and hot. I'm using the little Easy Press, the new one, because I feel like it's more manageable. And then actually I should have kept the cardboard in here for this portion because your fingers get really hot, and I like to just push the hat up against the Easy Press. But with the cardboard in there, it doesn't get too hot. So then I'm just going to glue these ears right onto the hat. The key to doing a hat is to use the second hole as a guide, and then we're done with that, except we're going to put his bow tie on as the bow. So I'm going to take this SVG cut out, I'm going to heat up some white felt, and I'm going to stick it onto the white felt, and then I'm going to iron it on to the white felt. And once it's ironed on, I'm going to pull the plastic off. And I don't know why I'm talking like a magician right now, but I am. All right, and then I'm gonna take scissors and I'm just gonna cut around it, leaving like just a tiny bit of the white showing on the outside, because I think that's, first of all, makes it a little bit more sturdy, and it kind of gives it a cool look. It looks more like 2 layers of iron-on rather than just one. Then I'm just gonna glue it by gluing it to the ear part so that it stands up. Just giving the little finger things or whatever those are. I don't really know what his bow is. It's kind of weird. But that'll allow it to actually stand up when it sits on whoever's wearing this's head. And then I pulled the little ends so that they would fray out. And then for her shoes, I just got these really cute boots that actually worked for Maleficent as well. And I'm going to take out the shoelaces, and I just used this black and white ribbon that I believe I got at Hobby Lobby or Michael. No, I got it at Michael's in the Halloween section. Okay, yes, that's where I got it. So I'm just going to pull this out completely. I thought I would need 2 rolls, but I did not. I'm going to use the shoelace as a guide to how long it needs to be. I'm going to cut 2, which didn't even barely use up 1 whole roll. And then before I string it, I'm going to put a little dab of hot glue on the end and roll it so that it actually kind of works exactly like a shoelace. You'll also notice that this ribbon is only striped on one side, so I had to be pretty careful with the way I laced it so that the stripes would show on the outside. You could probably try to find ribbon that's not only patterned on one side, or you could be extra and glue both pieces together, which would be really cute. But I just tied the bows so that they were sticking out, and they looked super cute. And then for her backpack, I found this cute black backpack at Ross, I believe, and then just this cute little thing at Joann's that was black and white striped, and I just clipped it on because she wanted to keep this backpack and I didn't want to have to
have her wear a froofy backpack all the time. That's it.